Russian critical infrastructure seems to be under attack once more, as drones have struck a distillery in Novokopyorsk, Voronezh Oblast. This incident adds to the 3 other distilleries targeted earlier this week. The facility, previously targeted by drone strikes earlier this month, was hit again, reportedly causing damage, according to Voronezh Governor Alexander Gusev and Russian media. According to a Russian official, regional air defense forces shot down and suppressed around 10 drones. 1 drone's fall damaged an annex to a utility building at the industrial facility. Emergency services are on site, the official stated. Later, he added, damage has also been confirmed at another industrial facility. A drone crash there triggered a fire at one of the sites, the governor wrote on social media. Near midnight, he reported that 1 person was injured during the drone's fall and the ensuing fire at the industrial site. Preliminary reports indicate the fire affected a building and 1 storage tank. There is also preliminary information on damage to 2 residential buildings and an auxiliary structure. His statement on Telegram read, Russian media and outlets clarified that drones attacked the distillery in Novokopyorsk, sparking a large fire. In addition, numerous images of the burning enterprise were published online. Meanwhile, in Voronezh, the Koltsovsky market has caught fire in a powerful blaze, seemingly in solidarity with the distillery plants attacked overnight. The fire currently spans 800 square meters. Russian forces transport North Korean mercenaries to the front in trucks with civilian plates. On October 27th, Russian police stopped a KAMAZ truck on the Kursk-Voronezh highway, packed with DPRK soldiers. The driver had no combat orders. Ukraine's GUR intercepted a message in which staff of Russia's 810th Marine Brigade, intended to receive this North Korean reinforcement, discuss why the driver lacked proper documents. Rapping Russian army deserters Slavik and Diamond are back with a new rap song, telling the story of how they met on the battlefield after being accidentally shelled by their own side and seeing their commanders stupidly lay down groups in piles of corpses. Slavik and Diamond, real names Vyacheslav Trutnev and Dmitry Ostrovsky, deserted after, they say, their company commander got drunk and ordered them to carry out a suicidal assault through minefields at night. The 2 men are convict soldiers, recruited from penal colonies. They say their commanders have treated them atrociously and punished those who survive after carrying out missions, on the assumption that if they are still alive, they have disobeyed orders. In this, their 3rd rap video, they say, a new group is coming. There are 4 of them. At this time, I'm in a trench with a radio station on the air. The 120 fucked up, and that's the end of the song. The group leader is on the line. I have 2 killed. I don't give a fuck, he shouts into the radio. I'm stunned. And then he, the bastard, starts a new group. Come on, meet me. I went out for no reason. That's where Slavik and Diamond met. Trutnev and Ostrovsky also give an account of why they deserted. We washed ourselves with blood and sweat, and what the hell this war is for, we still didn't understand. And no mention of going home, just fuck it. Throwing ourselves into the attack on the orders of an alcoholic. No one knows how this skirmish will go, and our patience was burning out like a match. Time passed. The boys left. Diamond and I watched everything from the side. How they stupidly lay down groups on piles of corpses. Taking lives, we're like pawns here. They move us, they play with us, they calmly kill us. Reconnaissance in force, they shoot like dogs. He died a hero's death. Here's a message to his family. Analyzing everything with Diamond at the position, we sit and watch with stunned faces. We send everything to fuck. We make a decision to give our lives a continuation. We had no other choice. We did not dare to die on the orders of a drunk. Hoping for luck, we bypass all the barriers, blocking units. We saved our lives and are happy about it. Precision strike, 66th Mechanized Brigade soldiers hit an infantry group with a Stugna P anti-tank guided missile. Stuna P is a Ukrainian anti-tank guided missile system developed in the early 2000s and 10s, designed to destroy modern armored targets with combined carried or monolithic armor, including explosive reactive armor. The Stuna P can attack both stationary and moving targets, but in this case it's interesting that is used to attack infantry. Kremlin propaganda presented a Russian Sarmat-3 armored truck destroyed by the Russians themselves as Ukrainian. Makes you wonder what they did to their own soldiers who were in the truck. In Glushkovo, Kursk region, on Russian soil.
Костя, что это за движок? А, это как вы?
Ну да, это не наш.
А?
Это не наш.
А это, наверное, не забрали.
Украинский бронеавтомобиль, на котором диверсионно-разведывательная группа ВСУ пыталась прорваться в Глушково, уничтожен при въезде в районный центр.
Russian propagandist Solovyev. If all anti-imperialist forces stand shoulder to shoulder with us, I personally will be happy about it. I believe that the NATO scum should be destroyed wherever they appear and try to continue their tradition of colonizing peoples.
Если плечом к плечу с нами станут все антиимпериалистические силы, я лично буду этому только рад. Потому что я считаю, что натовскую сволочь надо уничтожать всюду, где она появляется и пытается продолжать свою традицию колонизации народов. Поэтому если Автиярович Алаудинов рассказывал, как немецкую речь на Курщине слышали, то неужели они считают, что мы будем сожалеть о том, когда гробы поедут в Германию? Сейчас вся Британия аплодирует тому, как они подготовили летчиков. Да сдохнут! Сдохнут! При том, как они, так и неплохо бы, если их инструкторы. Я вообще не понимаю, например, почему база подготовки укронацистов на территории стран НАТО не могут для нас являться законной целью. Я считаю, что мы должны прямо в зародыше их уничтожать. Их для чего готовят? Чтобы они бомбили Крымский мост? Мирные города Херсонщины и Запорожья, наносили удар вглубь территории России?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.